Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. If you are new and if you're not, thanks for checking out this video. Today I have this gorgeous, affordable, when I say affordable, I mean affordable. This wig is $60. You can't beat it and it's flawless. I am in love with this so far. It's a great wig for the spring and the summer. You can slay. It's just a wet and go wig. It's super easy to install. I'm not sure if I already said this, but it's from March Queen Hair. They are amazing. It's my first time working with them and I'm feeling their hair so far. For number one, it's affordable. Can't stress that enough. We like to have options, great quality, and it's human hair for $60. Can't beat it. So I believe this wig is either 10 or 8 inches. I'm gonna have all the information in the description box, but I cut it a little bit more so it fits my face. And I am just in love with this, okay? So if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed it and styling this wig, then make sure you keep watching. So here is the wig after I bleached the knots. There was a little bit of parting space in the front and there's a T part in the middle. I want to show you guys the parting space that is available. As you can see, I put the wig on. It's completely dry and I'm just moisturizing the hair with water mixed with conditioner. Now I'm adding some curling mousse just to make sure that the curls stay in place and get that wet look throughout the day. So I decided to cut the wig because it's longer in the front, but if you like that style, you can keep it that way. I decided to cut it really short just to fit my face, and I think it's a really cute style for the springtime. Now I'm just fixing the parting space. I over bleached the hair just a little bit in that T part. I had to process the hair a little bit longer with the bleach, which got onto the hair. But what I would do is, if I'm gonna reinstall this wig, just use some semi-permanent dye to correct that. But for now, we're just using the mascara. It's a quick and easy trick to fix the hair. And then I'm gonna take a little brush I use on my baby hairs just to brush out that mascara and make sure everything is evenly distributed. This wig did not come pre-plucked, so I'm just gonna pluck the frontal. Now you wanna take your time on this part, especially if you want some baby hairs, because you just gotta pluck, pluck, pluck until it looks as natural as possible. This is a glueless install. A great trick to keep the wig in place when you're not using glue is just to use some Got2b glue to lay the baby hairs. And I also use some styling mousse. But first I want to get an idea of exactly where I want the baby hairs, and then I go in with some Got2b spray or some more gel. As I was doing the baby hairs, I decided that it was still too much hair, so I just keep plucking and styling the baby hairs. Just keep styling the hair until it looks as natural as possible. last but not least, we're gonna add some foundation in the parting space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am just loving this wig. I'm slaying. Tell me what you guys think about this wig in the comment section below. Would you purchase it? I know you guys love a good affordable wig. You know, I always come to you guys with the best wigs. So, you know, make sure you check out March Queen Hair, okay? So thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please give your girl a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed, because I got the videos coming. And thank you so much for your support. To my next video.